Rolo wasn't made to cook, but all he dreamed of was flipping pancake and stirring soup. Can a clumsy robot really become a chef? Let's start and see what happened to robot. In a shiny laboratory filled with blinking lights and beeping buttons lived a robot named Rolo. Most robots were built to clean, lift, or fix, but not Rolo. He had one dream to become a chef. He watched cooking shows every night and practiced flipping imaginary pancakes with his metal arms. One day he rolled into the kitchen and shouted cooking mode. But it didn't go well. His soup boiled over, the blender launched strawberries to the ceiling, and his pancake landed on the cat. Error, error, he beeped. The kid laughed, but Rolo felt sad. Maybe robots are not meant to cook. Then little Mia stepped up. Everyone makes messes when they are learning. So they taught Rolo to follow recipes, measure carefully, and slow down. With Mia's help, he improved slowly but surely. He baked his first batch of cupcake. He made spaghetti that didn't stick to the ceiling. He even flipped a pancake perfectly. At the school talent show, Rolo rolled onto the stage with a chef hat and served chocolate chip cookies. Everyone cheered. The judge gave him a golden spoon and named him Rolo Chef of the Year. From then on, Rolo ran his own kids' cooking class every weekend, teaching that anyone, even a robot, can be a chef with a big heart and a good recipe. Now, moral of the story: trying, failing, learning, and trying again is the real recipe for success. The end. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more videos.